Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Project Pan 2022 and this is going to be a rolling project pan, which means as I use up products I'll be adding new products and we are going to document our progress through the entire year. Dates every couple months or so. So stay tuned for that and let's just jump right in because there's quite a few products here. These shadow shields. I barely reach for these anymore and I just kind of want to use them up to get them out of my collection. So it's just shadow shields. I have a couple sprays. These are very close to being gone, but I still want to throw them in here. Hard Candy Soothe and Calm Toner Refresher, the Hemp Oil and Aloe Water. And there's the mark for that. It's almost done. And I did repeat purchase this already, but I'm going to get this one so close to being done out of my collection. I really have enjoyed this A+ setting spray from AOA Studio, or Shop Miss A, and this works great. Here's the mark on this, but it's just time to get this out of my collection. Face primers. I have the AOA Studio Perfect Filter Face Primer, and there is the mark on this product. This is almost gone as well. This has been a great product. The Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer in Rose. There's the mark on there. This is just okay, so I'm probably going to have a tough time getting through this because it's just okay. Some more face items. I'm going to continue to work through the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Powder. This is almost done, but let me tell you, the reason it's too light for my skin, so I only use this as like a brow bone highlight kind of thing to bring my eyeshadow down. So it's taken me a long time to get through this. Concealer that I'm going to try to pan this year. It's the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I used to love this concealer. This was actually a backup. So I'm kind of like testing the waters with it again because I haven't used it in so long to see whether or not I still actually really enjoy the product or not. And we're going to try to pan this. The Lushes. This is back again. I had this Rimmel Trio Kate Coral Glow Trio in my project pan last year as well. We made some really good progress on that. So I'm going to continue to work through this. I really love this trio in general, but we're going to try to be done with this year. I am going to try to pan at least one of the LA Colors highlighters in this Wild Child trio. And that's this one. I actually really love that. It's very gorgeous duochromy kind of highlighter. Gorgeous. I'm going to try to go through that. The rest of the shades, yeah. And the LA Colors Show It Off Blush Highlighter Palette. Blush and Highlight Palette. Very beautiful palette. Very nice. I dug this out of my drawer to see if I actually really liked using this now. And I really actually do. So I'm going to try to pan this and this. These are my two favorite shades in the palette. And then probably pass these two on. Lip products, I'm going to continue using up the Revlon Kiss balm. This is the coconut one. This is amazing stuff. I love these lip balms. Definitely recommend them. The LA Colors lip scrub is in this as well. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but I do want to use it up. Quick look at the balm. Gloss. This was in the project pan last year. LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. Here's all those marks. It remains here because I'm growing tired of this. This and the Maybelline Nude Lust is my favorite lip combo, but I've been wearing just the Nude Lust by itself lately. So we're just going to continue to work through that lip gloss. I do have a backup of that, so it's also why we're going to work through it. New eye things to add. One from prior year. The L'Oreal Linear Intense. This is a felt tip eyeliner. It's almost gone, and we'll just continue to work through this. I have some mascaras. LA Colors Nude Glam Primer, which these two paired together, the Nude Glam Mascara from LA Colors, these make a great pair. These are really good actually. I've enjoyed these, but it's time to move on. I also have the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara in here. Great mascara, just time to get it out of the collection. And the Milk Kush Mascara also is gonna go. I have a few more eye things. Milani Hypnotic Lights in number 1, Luster Light. And this is practically on its way out. It's pretty dried up already, but I figured I could use this in the inner corner because it's very beautiful until it's completely dried out. A couple primers, the Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer. This is just okay now. I used to really like this. Honestly, I'm on the verge of hating this product now, but I decided that we would continue to use it up anyways. And I also have the Photo Focus Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer as well. Here's the line on that. I'm going to get that out. This is one of the longest primers in my drawer. So we're going to work on those. And these two last products are from the last project pan as well, but I'm just going to continue to work through them. This is the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I have hit pan on that. That's what that looks like. And then also the Maybelline Eye Studio little purple palette here. And I'm going to continue to work with this very glittery silver shade here. And then just pan or toss the rest of the eyeshadow palette because these shades are no good. This is beautiful though, and we're going to work on that. So I believe that is 24 items so far in this project pan. Once again, it's a rolling project pan. I'm going to add new products throughout the year. So stay tuned for updates. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know what you are doing for your project pan this year as well. Thank you so much for watching.